Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to make baby quilts. In this I use old recycled material lying around in the house like old curtains, bed sheets, cotton dupattas, cushion covers, etc. This way I use my free time doing something creative and then I donate it for charities, and this gives me a lot of inner satisfaction. The method I am using, what I call it, is pillowcase method. So let's start. This quilt I am making for a child, a baby, and size of the quilting material is 1 meter by 1 meter, and the lining material and the covering material I take a little extra. Like if it is 100 centimeter by 100 centimeter, then I will be taking 115 centimeter by 115 centimeter. So from here I will join this cloth from this side and from this side like this, and these two are for the corners. In brief, I tell you what I will be doing. First, I will join these two cushions this way, like this, keeping both of them side to side. I will join them. Then this portion I will join with from one side like this, and the other portion I will join on this side. So this way I will have a long parallel strip in the center. This way. Then I will join this part from here and this part from here, keeping the right side facing each other. Now you can see I have joined all the three portions. Now I will join these strips.
Now that this is done, the method I'll be using is pillowcase method. So in this, I am going to place the bottom lining and the top cover right side facing each other and secure this with a pin. So as you can see in the picture on the side, wherever there are crosses are where I have placed the pin, and this should be 1 centimeter from the edges. We are just doing this to secure so that when we stitch, our material does not move. Now that I've secured it with the pins, I'm going to start sewing it. So as shown in the picture, we are going to sew this along the dotted lines and leave one side open. Once we are done stitching, find the midpoint of both the cover and the felt lining and secure that with a pin so that it does not move. As you can see, according to the picture, the black line at the bottom is where we are going to stitch the felt lining. Again, the part which we left open, we are still going to leave it open and only stitch the felt cloth on one side of the quilt. Once I'm done stitching the felt cover, I have turned it inside out. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna again secure this with pins and stitch it on the outer lining. Now for this lining you can use a very fancy stitch or like a zigzag stitch that I used, so that the outside of your quilt looks a little nice and it's not the same boring dotted line stitch.
Here it is, what we made today. I showed you, it has come out very beautifully, and a few more I made with old cushion covers and curtains like this one. This cloth I had, so I made this one and the lining of the curtain at the back. This one, this, and this. So next time I will come up with something new. Please do subscribe, like and share.